Perfetto, stellato, puccio tutto. Alle Poseidon. O Poseidon. Che
Pero claro. I love how the Mickeys have the different countries on them. Pretty cool. Italia. That almost looks like a Dapper Dan's hat down there. It's a skirt. Mickey looks like he's in Casablanca or something. Ciao Bella. Some exclusive mini ear. Check out this bowl. It's a really cool looking bowl. And you got Minnie Mouse on a little Vespa. Let's check out the Italy food and wine menu. We're obviously here during food and wine, so they got the special selections. We got a focaccia and a cavatelli and a cheesecake. Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walk-throughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description. Either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.